Hello everybody, today I will show you how to solve no Wi-Fi networks found problem in Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Go to Windows search bar, type CMD, right click run as administrator. Copy the command from description and paste it, click enter. Wait for some time till it scans. Restart your computer. Method 2. Go to Windows search bar, type network connection. Click and open it. Right click on your network, click on properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4. Click on configure, click on yes. Click on advanced. Make both the options to auto. Click on OK. That's it. Thanks for watching.